Hey everyone, welcome to Global Tradeaholics, where we discuss trading strategies, market insights, and everything related to trading. All right, so today we will actually see regarding the Canara Bank trade that we recently took. So before we get into it, I just want to clear out that the stocks that I usually pick for swing trading are not by using any screener as of such. I usually go through around 500 to 1,000 stocks on a weekly basis, usually analyzing all the good opportunities that we can take during the week. Right, so you can actually subscribe to my free Telegram link below where I'll be posting some of them. And please do note it's strictly for educational purpose and not guaranteeing any returns. You can actually read the disclaimer that is written below in the description as well, mentioning the same. All right, so the trade that we took in Canara Bank, let me just go to the daily time frame. Yeah. So this trade was actually taken on the 6th of September. If you see, not on the 6th, let's say on the 5th of September, yes. So we actually saw a good wedge shape kind of a pattern that was occurring, and it was actually happening for quite a couple of weeks. Like, it's a good consolidation pattern, and we could see a breakout that happened after that. And suddenly I took the trade on the next day itself during this pullback. And so if we look initially, I was hoping for around close to 17%, I'm guessing. Yes, 17 to 18% before exiting this trade. But then the global markets and the Indian markets didn't look good after a while. So what happened was that I exited this trade at around 10 to 11%. So what happens is that when I see stocks losing momentum after a while, I usually like to trail my stop loss. So I kept my stop loss at around 10 to 11% of this trade. Another thing that you can actually do is that you can maybe sell half of the quantity of the stock that you have purchased and then wait for the rest of the quantity to play out and see what happens then. But you can see that the stock went up and it started coming down. And then it went up again. So I actually exited this trade somewhere over here. Actually, my stop loss was hit somewhere over here, which was on the 5th of October. So, yeah, 5th of October, yes. So we held on, I think, around 3 to 4 weeks time, I'm guessing. Right. Another reason for me to exit this stock was because I saw a double top kind of a pattern over here, which showed that it was going to consolidate now a little bit. So you can see if I just take this tool, you can see that there's a consolidation that is happening here. Right. So once this consolidation breaks out, also you can actually look for some trades, but we have to see how the markets play out in the future and see what we can do accordingly. Right. So our total ROI on this trade was around 11%, and we actually had a risk reward of 1:4.5, which is pretty good for swing trades. So guys, basically there are different ways to manage trades, and everyone has to usually find their edge. Like I mentioned before, if you want to trail your stop loss, or if you want to sell off half of the quantity or things like that. So you have to actually find the edge that you're most comfortable with, right? And another key point that I want to mention is that our aim is always not usually to catch all of the up move. Like it's quite impossible to actually exactly enter a stock at the bottom and exactly exit it right at the top and things like that. Our main aim is to just catch a big chunk of the up move, or if you're trading futures and options, you can go for even the short selling side, right? So guys, that's basically it for this trade. So if you like this video, please do leave a like and a comment, and also do consider subscribing and click on the bell icon so you can stay updated with all the new content that I'll be posting. And until next time, happy trading.